Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Overdose 619. And today we are going to disassemble this quick shifter for Yamaha R1. So this brand is GYTR, and this small piece will cost you about $199. And why is so expensive? So I'm just curious about it. I just want to know what inside of this quick shifter, and let's go ahead and open this. So okay guys, this is what you pay for the GYTR quick shifter. So you have this spring and this fancy look, and that's it guys. So for $199, so you pay for the sweets. So just these sweets guys, can imagine this one, look at that. Alright, that's it guys. So just a small piece guys. So peace.